Hello everybody, this is Moses from Zaatar Gardens. Say hi, Shant.
Hi.
We're gonna start early because, you know, we're all in quarantine. Basically the world's in quarantine. We're gonna do Easter egg hunt. We're setting it up right now, but my son, a long time ago, about 2 years ago, he planted a whole bunch of violas. And I've seen, he noticed a viola today we've never seen before, the color. I'm gonna show you right now what it is up close. Where did we find it, Shant?
We found one right here.
Okay, and show the other one. That one's the one I'm going to show you, but he saw another one that kind of struck me.
There's one and a butterfly's on it.
Let me see. Let me try to get up close. I don't know if I could do this. And these, it's a little bit of hue of blue, not just white in the the velvet. Yeah, see, this is the regular one. That.
But this one is real blue.
Yeah, they're
That
pretty.
one's a little beautiful.
There's Little Beautiful. He planted this for his mom long ago. Here's another one he planted.
Yeah.
Right over here.
All of these.
And then he knows that's not a weed. When he was weeding, he goes, "That's not a weed, Dad. That's the viola flowers." Oh, it produced a flower. Look, where is it at? But he knew it didn't have a flower, and he knew it was a flower. That's pretty cool. And Lulu, what are you doing? And I'm gonna show you the one that's very interesting right now. Take a look at how bright this is. Isn't that amazing? Just the thumbnail alone shows how bright it is. I hope all the colors and the vibrancy show up in the camera. Amazing. Let's see if we can get closer. So I hope all of you are doing well and safe. We're going to have some fun here in a moment. I'm having to swipe the screen for a lot of Instagram. I posted it on Instagram, the flower, and everybody's been liking it, sharing it. Oops, I'm still up close. Sorry about that. What? That's a tag, son. I don't know what it was for. Let's see. Let's see what I used to buy. Oh, the basil. Oh no, the banana, the peppers we bought over here. Oh, what is it, Talin? What? You want to touch your feet?
You hungry?
All right.
Show the YouTubers.
The YouTubers? Yeah, he has snacks.
And one for Daddy and one for me.
All right, everybody. Say happy gardening.
Happy gardening. We already ate ours.
Say happy gardening, Talin.
I already filled it. So.
And happy early Easter for everybody. Bye. What?
Bye.
Bye. Say it again.